Okay, but I can show y'all real fast how I make this like VTuber-esque logo in Photoshop. We're gonna want to open up our friend Photoshop. So create new, you wanna create a custom size. I make it 1920 by 1080, you'll see why. 300 DPI. Yeah, fast lessons on how to make a cool VTuber logo, okay? I'm gonna go, because I wanna use white, we're gonna go take the paint bucket, pick a dark color, whatever, and just fill it, okay? Just trust me, okay? And then I'm gonna go over here, Control Shift N if you're on PC to make a new layer. Now we're gonna open up the text option right here. You wanna just write and then write your username, right? So goddess shit. DC'd like this, right? Is DC'd, right? At the end. And then we're gonna go look for our best friend, thefont.com. Thefont.com. Go under script, handwritten, and then we're gonna go to more options. Oh, I need to go on this side. I need to go on this side. We're gonna go under more options and then only as public domain, 100% free, hit submit. So the font that I used is Mungil. Find a nice looking handwritten fonts. So I don't know. Bubbly's also really cute too. 100% free. I should already have Bubbly downloaded. So if I click this one under fonts, I should have Bubbly already downloaded. I'm like pretty sure right there. Bubbly. Okay, so Goddess DC, right? So we're gonna make it this like light purplish color. Also, like the reason why I use a file this big is I just kind of like guesstimate where your box would be. Let me make it like size 24 fonts. Okay. And then over here, when we scroll, oh, it's this one right here. The width between fonts, you wanna make this one smaller. Like the spacing between each letter, you wanna make this smaller. Minus 50 is probably too small. Let's do minus 25. Okay, but then I'm gonna double click this, layer style, add a stroke, and then right here, add a white stroke, and then make it about 0.8. Make it like 8 pixels, you know? We hit OK. Okay, now we have Goddess. And then I'm gonna go create Control Shift N, previous layer, clipping mask, use the color select tool. Let me just zoom in real fast so you can see it better. Click this, color select the purple, and we're just gonna pick like a darker color. Grab the brush tool and just yeet. I make it rounded. Like I purposely like rounded it a little bit. So you can round it that way, or you can like round it this way, but it gives it more of a warped effect. So I just kind of rounded it like that. Control Shift N, or actually no, we can just use the same layer. Make the brush really small, like 6, and then pick pure white. I'm not even using my drawing tablet for this. I'm not even using my drawing tablet. I'm literally using my mouse. I haven't picked up my drawing tablet yet. So no, I'm gonna make this like 2, right? And then just kind of arbitrarily draw a bunch of dots. I did that with mine to give it a sort of like sparkly effect. Let's pick like a bigger one, like let's pick like 4, and then we just draw some more dots using a slightly bigger one, so it looks more varied. Otherwise, like if all your dots are the same size, that's gonna look a little funny. Okay, right there. I'm literally not even using. I'm not even using a drawing tablet. I'm just using my mouse for this. Okay, I think I've done good on the dots. Okay, so right here is looking hella cute. Okay, so now we're gonna flatten everything. So we're gonna flatten all the layers. Control E to merge everything into one layer. Everything's on one layer. Add the magic wand tool. Select arbitrarily any word that is not the username. So I'm gonna select here. Select and then inverse, and then select modify. Expand, and I'm gonna expand it by like 3. I'm gonna make it really small. So Control Shift N to make a new layer. Drag the layer behind the layer with your name. And then I'm gonna color select the darker purple and just pick an even darker color. And I'm gonna pick like a darker blue. Ooh, maybe if I go the opposite direction, pick like a darker pink, maybe. Let's see how this looks. Like this. Now if I get rid of the background, suddenly we have a very nice looking VTuber logo. I think this pink color is a little bit too dark though for what I'm looking for. So I'm gonna go and make it a lighter color and let's just see how this looks. Okay, right there, some cute VTuber logo right here. And then now we're freaking spot on. And then just crop it. Crop it to like the size that you want. And then now you have a very Pog looking VTuber logo. I just slap it above your head or all over your Twitch or something like that, which is basically what I do with it. Because I really just thought the VTuber logos look really cute and I wanted to make one.